In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how I made $35,225 just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. I will share with you which affiliate links I was promoting on Pinterest. I will show you step by step how you can join affiliate marketing program as beginner so you can start making money without investing any money. You can start with $0 like I did. So make sure to watch this video until the end because I'm gonna share with you guys everything I know about Pinterest affiliate marketing. So you just need to copy and paste my method and you will start making some money like this. Okay, because it's really easy and simple. Okay, and as you can see over here in my balance, it's showing $35,225 just promoting affiliate links, and I earn this commission. Okay, so what you will do, let's get started. So first, for people who want to join affiliate marketing program, what you will do, you need to go to Google first and you need to search for Fiverr. Okay, like this. Click over here on the first link and you just need to sign up by user email address. The sign up process is really super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Okay, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, what you will do next, you will come to this page and you will scroll down. Just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and it will take you to this page over here. As you can see, what you need to do, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, but before we do that, let me show you commission plan. If we scroll down, because they are really paying a lot of money, if you click over here on see commission, you can see over here commission plan, and you can see over here that you can earn up to $150 in CPA commission. Okay, it's up to $150. That's really a lot of money. If just one person buy service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $150. Okay, and if you scroll down, you should see a lot of all Fiverr CPA commissions here. Okay, so $50 for those services that are related to graphic and design, data science, mobile apps. So $50. If you get just 2 person to buy this service from your affiliate link, you will make $100. That's really a lot of money. Okay, so let me show you how you can join. Click over here, go back to this website of Fiverr affiliates, like this, to this home page. Click over here on join now and it's gonna take you to this page over here. And as you can see over here, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is super easy and simple. Okay, so you just need to put your first name, your last name, and your email address, username, and your password over here, and your account type, make it private, and scroll down and you're gonna answer a few questions. As you can see, do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and you will choose your country. Okay, then choose your language over here, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. Because it's easy, it will take just few minutes from your time. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so that's a really easy and simple. After you finish, okay, what you will do again, next step, go back to your Fiverr account. Okay, go back to this home page because now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Pinterest to get commission. This will be one of my services that I was promoting on Pinterest to get commission. I'm gonna share with you this service. Click over here on the search for ClickBank affiliate marketing sales funnel. Okay, search for ClickBank affiliate marketing sales like this. Scroll down. So why I choose this service? I choose this service because I know that there are a lot of people are using Pinterest to promote ClickBank affiliate links. So they will be interested to get this service for their ClickBank affiliate business. So it's like win-win. Okay, it's win for those people who are using ClickBank. They will be interested to use my service, and if they click and buy this service, I will also earn commission. Okay, so what you will do now is you need to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Click over here. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. I will make ClickBank affiliate marketing sales, level 2 seller, 5-star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. Just click on his service. It's really easy and simple. It will take you to this page over here, to his profile page. As you can see, what you need to do next is you need to copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link, and what you need to do next is you need to go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click, so let me show you, click over here on marketing tools and click on default and deep links and click over here. Okay, so click over here, put this seller profile link here and click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So I'm gonna show you how you can do it. So if you don't have an account on Pinterest yet, let me show you. Go to Google, search for Pinterest, because it's really easy and simple. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. And make sure to open business account, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. Okay, and after you finish, click over here on home feed, click on create pin and click over here. What you will do, you need to upload a picture about your service that you want to promote. So what you will do, just go back to this, so let me delete this. Go back to this seller page on Fiverr, scroll down, click on his picture and upload this picture to your laptop. Okay, let me show you. So let's get this picture. Okay, so just double click over here on save image and save this picture to your laptop. I'm gonna name it ClickBank, save. Okay, go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture. Okay, like this, and here you go. Your picture will be like this. What you will do next, you need to put here title, description and your affiliate link. So let's start with the title. Just go back to this seller page. So you are just an affiliate marketer with Fiverr. Copy his title and you will also copy his description. Go back to Pinterest, put this title over here, description. Go back to his profile page, scroll down. You can see over here about this gig. This is his description. Copy this. I'm gonna copy this part. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Okay, title. I need to put title. I will copy title again. And let's go to Pinterest. Let's put this title over here like this. Scroll down. You need to put here your affiliate link. So go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy. So just copy your affiliate link. Go back to Pinterest, put this affiliate link here. What you will do next, click over here on choose a board. So if you are new, click on create a board and you can create as many as you want. So you just need to give it a name. It's easy and simple, and it will be over here. I will choose this one, Fiverr affiliate, and scroll down. What you will do next, you will put here tags. Okay, so you just need to put tags, and those are very important. So go back to this seller page on Fiverr, scroll down, just keep scrolling down and you should see related tags. Okay, keep scrolling down and here you go, you should see related tags. I'm gonna copy this one, click back, I will go to Pinterest and I will put these tags over here. So make sure to use a lot of keywords, okay, so because they are really important in Pinterest for people to find your service and buy this service from you. Okay, after you finish, so just click over here on publish and here you go, you just published your service on Pinterest. It's really easy and simple. This will be your picture, this will be your affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description. That's how we can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest and make money. It's easy and simple, guys. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest, but you should use specific services. You cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people are searching for on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. I can still share with you guys a lot of services if you want. If you are interested, just let me know in the comments and I will make more videos like this to show you all services that I was promoting on Pinterest to earn this commission. Okay, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.